Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the meal kit world: Blue Apron versus Home Chef. Which one reigns supreme in 2025? If you're tired of deciding what's for dinner every night, these services can be game changers, but which one's worth your money? Let's break it down step by step. First off, let's talk about meal variety. Blue Apron offers a wide range of gourmet-inspired recipes, focusing on high-end ingredients and international flavors. Think fresh seafood and farm-to-table veggies. On the other hand, Home Chef emphasizes customizable options, with meals that cater to dietary needs like keto, vegan, or family-friendly portions. In 2025, both have expanded their libraries, but Home Chef edges out with more personalization tools. Now, price is always a big factor. Blue Apron meals typically cost around $10 to $12 per serving, positioning itself as a premium service with top-notch quality. Home Chef is a bit more budget-friendly at $8 to $10 per serving, making it accessible for everyday use. But remember, Blue Apron often sources organic and sustainable ingredients, which justifies the higher price for eco-conscious eaters. Ease of use is another key area. Both services deliver pre-portioned ingredients, but Home Chef's recipes are generally quicker to prepare, most under 30 minutes, perfect for busy schedules. Blue Apron might take a tad longer, but their detailed instructions and chef tips make cooking feel like a fun adventure. Customer service and overall experience? In 2025 reviews, Blue Apron boasts high ratings for ingredient freshness and innovative recipes, though some users mention occasional delivery delays. Home Chef shines in flexibility, with easy subscription pauses and a user-friendly app. Based on recent surveys, Home Chef has a slight edge in satisfaction due to its adaptability. So, which is better? It depends on your lifestyle. If you crave gourmet experiences and don't mind spending a bit more, go with Blue Apron. For quick, customizable meals on a budget, Home Chef is the winner. Either way, both are fantastic for simplifying your kitchen routine. Give them a try and let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more comparisons like this. See you next time.